Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Gemini Error 13. Something went wrong. I ran into the Gemini Error 13 something went wrong message recently while trying to run a prompt, and it can feel pretty random when it happens. The first thing I usually consider is that it might be a temporary server issue, especially if I'm sending a long prompt or uploading something. In that case, I just wait a bit and try again. If the chat has been going on for a while, I'll start a new conversation because Gemini can sometimes struggle with long or complex threads. If that doesn't fix it, I'll check my device. On Android, I go to Settings, Apps, Gemini, and Storage, then clear the cache or even reinstall the app to refresh everything. I also make sure I'm using a personal Google account since work or school accounts can have restrictions. And finally, I test my internet connection. Switching between Wi Fi and mobile data usually tells me if that's the issue. Once, once one of these clicks, Gemini typically starts working again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.